Aparaan Aboliasio Esomero lo St. Paul Comprehensive Secondary School ko town lo katakwing yesi opotu eshishana kina ka eshisha Enumunum mata ko pone sholu kesi Aboliasio no egelegela. Lo epolo kitaite monokin Aparaan na Moses okwalinga ngesi abala ebe epu Aboliasio no ajas
Aboliasio la epu no kwa penati akirito pukoi akirito konyita jiko dakita bet airia uno akirite kapaka de emir inda jai konya noi ibo na jokitingo mamara ibidu ebone students bone ara students ke de staff to cook sikere
atakitokwalinga ebe Aboliasio no kere ipikaktos kesi kotuptete iponisho le techakalu senior luishisha na kinire kwa jenera kwape new curriculum
jai PE ya toma jai art jai nyo so you get nati to prove you the aerobics do ida work aerobics apart do DC games and that is iboro do session akino kesi atukot no less mata kesi dara jai gymnastics wanyiti jo headstand jai lo sekida kanin so we have encouraged them asinyiko ikini kesi de so many ntiborolo ana jokes na auka aijar
Rebecca Akiro radio peto kotoma eshishan na atukoton kanai wongone na ajaya lostena ikapa arebonat modeling nyesi obu ichara kesishaka adumun ipudilo aswami borolu egelegela kotomo Esomero kanu ayatuna amakesin kech
kotingali moen kesi are eja saji Aboliasio Esomero kwa nereje program la Aboliasio chorati mo kesda adumun that motivation lo kesda janu toma it's part of body exercise.
Nikota kironenda Polone Esomero kalo Reverend Moses Aloka ngesi obu ichora kesishaka mama aichani chana akecha talantan kotoma aiboishonu mam jai aina kineta dio kwape natoka dibong ka acheda.
This is the only opportunity for you to display your talent. It is the only opportunity, and St. Paul offers you this opportunity. But use this opportunity well to expose what God has deposited in you. Expose it. I don't want people who want to expose this in the village, in Okadibong, in the places that don't matter. Here, it matters. The new curriculum encourages this because the new curriculum wants to assess so many things. The attitudes, the values, the skills, the gifting ni you.
Ejas ngunda amunyal tena ajai kotoma Aparaan kangin kiding esishaka eshina kinaka kechi nesi obu o down akaulona esishaka adeshari lu echoka kechi goloniare kanu enot akaulona Aparaan eshaka lu atukolo kanaso dikesopotu oyate nabalo solid kotoma Aboliasio no etolo sitai opotedo eshana kinaka kechi ayangare enambalo kau.
And then the winners okay, the winners is the senior one. They got 278.3 points.
Kanuka TV East, Francis Ochen, Kodisutakalo Kataku.